Right, so EJ, I've actually got something else for you to open.
What?
Why are you not scared?
I'm scared this is a friend.
I'm gonna get it for you right now.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Here you go.
Wait, guys, I saw this come through the post today. What is it?
Well, I'm really prepped it so you can just open it.
Okay. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking in with me, EJ the Star. You know what I mean? I'm checking in, not checking out. And guys, it's day number 22 already on Black. And we have 3 more days until actual Christmas Day. So guys, do you see the little hair bubbles in my hair? I actually got it from the Bubble Elastic, but they gave it to me for free, and I got to pick a color I wanted, and I wanted pink, and I think it actually looks really cool. Just look how shiny it is. It's so fascinating to touch. Like, it's so nice. And I also got a little note over here, look. It says, "Dear Ilani Janae, thank you. We believe in you." And that is a really nice. And it says, "Kisses and hugs, El Mayor." So guys, I have 4 colors now. I have the pink one, the green one, and the red one, and the white one. I'm hoping my mum is going to get me the rest for Christmas. I hope. But last year I got 25 presents. That's a lot. Well, thank you so much for these Bubble Elastics. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh. So guys, let's get started to open my Smiggles calendar with my pretty bubbles. Here is my... Sorry, you're taking over. Here's my Smiggles calendar right over here. Number 22 is over here. So let's go open it. Guys, look at this. I have one of these. Like, it's a glowy in the dark pen, so you get to see secret messages. OMG, look. Like, this is purple, but you can't really see it on camera. Look. Where I have something like this, but it's tied up. I'm struggling. I'm actually loving this. Smiggle calendar, that's why you were taking over my video. Is that probably why I was taking over, right? And then you write secret messages. Wait, I want to write a secret message. I'm going to write it on the back of this quickly. Hold my pen for me, please. You see what that says? Wait, how do I do it? Wait, what did I write it again? Do you see it says hi? Hi, people, hi. That is amazing. I actually have one of these, and it's a unicorn one. So guys, I'm really impressed with this pen. It's actually really cool. I might give this to Mommy because I already have one. Might. And it's green, one of your favorite colors, right? Might, Mommy. So with my beautiful bubbles, let's move on to my Throwbells calendar. Here it is, number 22's over here. Let's get opening. Okay, I'm just going to speed through this. Ooh, it says star, because I'm a star, look. Ooh, I'm going to open it. I'm going so quick. Oh my god. Ooh. God, look how beautiful this looks. be so jealous of this because he thinks his name is called Star. And like, some people call him Napper or some people call him Nap Star. And he's going to be so jealous. Now my name's Star. I took the road.
So EJ, I've actually got something else for you to open.
What?
Why do you look scared?
I'm scared. This is a friend.
I'm gonna get it for you right now.
Oh my gosh, okay.
There you go.
Wait, guys, I saw this come through the post today. What is it?
Oh, I've already prepped it so you can just open it.
Okay, I'm just gonna open it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Can I open?
Which one you gonna open first?
I think the little box. Oh, this is heavy. Okay, I'm gonna open the little box. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
You want me to do it?
Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Okay, thanks. You are joking me. This is the one.
Turn it on.
Oh, I want. It says EJ. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I look so cute there.
This is from Throwbells. This is your brand rep pack.
Oh my gosh, I could be like just covered up cozy and just be drinking my hot cocoa.
So nice, isn't it?
I know. Oh my gosh. Look guys, just... Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you could actually get this mug but without me on the Throwbells app. Wait, can you
On
get
the
it with
Throwbells
me?
website. No, you can't get it with me.
Sorry. Okay guys, that one is actually really cool. I'm gonna open my next one. Okay, thank you so much. I got another sticker. It says EJ. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I'm gonna open this note first before I show you all my stuff. Sweet holiday wishes. Hi EJ, Merry Christmas. We love having you on our team. Hope that you enjoy those treats. Mana, what's that say?
Mama Boss.
Mama Boss and Girl Boss. Thank you so much! Okay, now I'm going to show you my stuff. So, I don't know what this is.
It's a calendar for 2021. Okay, yeah, I'll put it for you.
And I'm going to start opening this. Well, I'm just so happy.
So you've got to hang this up. Got some... Ooh.
I love stickers! Oh my gosh. Look at my stickers. You know I love my stickers. I'm actually not going to stick them on my door.
Why is it too special for that?
Yeah. It deserves a better place. Look, and I actually coloured this in the Coco Girl magazine. Look.
So what about your birth month? What picture is it for your birth month?
September 19th.
It's a nice picture for it.
I know, I like this picture. Wait guys, when I was playing the Coco Girl game, I actually used all these hairstyles in it. I actually did, Mummy. Oh my gosh.
What else you got?
I got a
Krista
t-shirt. Oh my gosh, wait. What does it say? I'm just going to quickly see what it says. Locked and lovely.
Locked and lovely.
Oh my gosh. Look guys, it says locked and lovely. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Wait, is this a colouring book?
No, it's a notebook.
Oh, I'm going to use it as my drawing book.
Did you get a pen with it?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Let me just get it out quickly. Okay. It's a black pen. And what colours did Elacia get?
Like a silver chrome colour one. Oh,
Mommy,
nice. I like that pen.
Mommy, give me a big hug. Mm-hmm.
It's not me, it's Frobels you should be hugging.
Thank you. I'm trying to hug you.
I'll show them what Elacia got.
Okay, so this is what Elacia got. Can I open it?
No, you cannot.
And over here, Elacia has got this little cute t-shirt. Jumper. I just keep getting mixed up. I'm actually really thankful, Frobel. Thank you so much. But did you buy it?
No, they send it to you for because you're the brand rep.
So I get to keep all this stuff forever.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I want to be the brand rep forever. I can get spoiled. I want to get spoiled. But I'm actually really happy to be the brand rep so other people can use my code. I'm just really happy. Thank you so much, Frobels. Thank you. I love you so much. Anyway, guys, that is officially the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to Frobel mug, Frobel t-shirt, Frobel book, Frobel book. I'm checking out, not checking in. I'll be out with Seth, yours queen, yours. Oh yeah, remember my Frobel stickers. Yours, yours. I'm a rainbow. Oh. I love you guys. Bye. And thank you, Frobel, for all these amazing tweets. I love you so much. Bye.